Cricket Petit de l'Ergier, Felha Gemeria Boliro, Sejima Youth Organization, How Tashaba, Felha Gelos Boliro, Tegrejuma Youth Organization, Siro Felha Gemehe Boliro, Kirupema Youth Organization, Mu Felha Gepejo Boliro, Tegrejuma Youth Organization, Siro Felha Gekra Boliro, Sejezuzla Youth Organization, How Tashaba.
The officials of Western Angami D Sports Association, led by the President Rokoniko Ratsu. Followed by the former presidents of Western Angami D Sports Association, the presidents of WATSA from 1972 to 2022. Next on the line are the organizing committee and sub-committees of WATSA 50th anniversary, led by the convener Sedeniko Shosahe. And we have the officials of the Western Angami D Sports Association 50th anniversary, led by the Sports Marshal Kekrevito Dahu.
Marching forward on the line is the contingent of Tekrejuma Youth Organization, led by the President, Mr. Ludovico Cruz, with over 60 contingents. The Tekrejuma with a contingent of over 60 players and officials. Marching forward on the line is the Sejama Youth Organization with over 70 with Mr. Robimeto Raju as the president of the youth organization. Next, we have the Mengujuma Youth Organization with a contingent of over 80, led by the President, Mr. Viralu Seche.
Marching forward, we have the Kirupema Youth Organization, led by the President Kezevile Hoja, with over 100 contingent. Finally, we have the Secha Zubza Youth Organization with a contingent of over 110, led by the President Sekrile Vimera.
Western Angami Wrestling Champion in 1988. Pekonipi was also the third position holder twice at the Angami Wrestling Meet in 1990 and 1992. His popularity in Naga wrestling goes further for producing two sons, Seketoko Nipu and Petekoli Nipu, who both went on to be the champions of D Group and Western Angami Wrestling Meet respectively, and also position holders in the Asan Wrestling Meet and Hotel Festival Wrestling Championship. Mr. Jako Kelenya of Setsuza Youth Organization, he is said to be one of the finest volleyball players in Nagaland during his time, also with his outstanding performance at the first Nagaland Mini Olympics in 1988. Jako Kelenya represented Team Nagaland at the Junior Wrestling Volleyball Championship in Chandigarh, Karnataka 1986 and Kolkata in 1988. He is also known for being the best player at the Northeast Volleyball Meet in 1988. The next torch handed out to Mr. Raju Kolivili of Kirpama Youth Organization. Raju Kolivili is considered to be one of the most celebrated all-rounders amongst the D group players in the history of Watsa. He was a very prominent volleyball player, a good wrestler and a footballer as goalkeeper during his playing days. Till date, he is the only West wrestler in D group to have won the D group wrestling Naga wrestling title twice. In 1996, 98 and 2000, his achievements in volleyball goes further with numerous titles of being the best player in volleyball tournaments at KDVA, D Group Western and also Asa Sports Match in the past. The next torchbearer is Ms. Lisa O'Connor here of Menguzuma Youth Organization. Going by the Angami Sports Association Athletics record, at present, Ms. O'Connor is the fastest Angami woman. She won the gold medal in 100 meters race during the ASA 50th anniversary meeting in 2017. She also went on to back third position in women's 100 meter race at the Nagaland Mini Olympics 2017 held at Dimapur. The next torchbearer is Mr. Visan Zokotu of Setsuzuta Youth Organization. Mr. Visan Zokotu, an international rated chess player, one of the founding members of Kohima District Chess Association, a former champion of Kohima District Chess Association, who also went on to back the first runner-up twice at the chess tournament organized by Nagaland Chess Association. He is a chess player who participated in various tournaments outside the state in Tamil Nadu, Kolkata, Jharkhand, Guwahati, New Delhi and Chennai. The next torchbearer is Ms. Niketono Kruse of Tekvejuma Youth Organization. She is a female player whose achievements have come from throws. A silver medalist in javelin throwing women's athletic events at the Angami Sports Association May 2015. She is also a bronze medalist in shot put and discus throw at the Asa Sports Meet in 2015. She is also a champion in her respective sports disciplines in both D Group and Western Summit. The next torchbearer is Mr. Visakole Medoze of Setsuzuta Youth Organization. He has represented the Nagaland football team on several occasions, be it at the Northeast Sports Festival, Northeast, Dr. T.R. Trophy, Senior National Santosh Trophy. Prior to that, he had also represented Team Nagaland both in Under 19 and Under 21 National Championship. Visakole Medoze also played for different clubs in football leagues at Kolkata, Guwahati, Shillong, Tripura, and he was a prominent player of the Naga Boys Club during his days. Visakolye Medoze also holds the distinction of captaining the state football team during his days. Reserving the best for the last, Mr. Nipreto Jeune of Setsama Youth Organization, the only player in D group to have won and to have earned an international title. He will be lighting the torch for the WhatsApp League. Till date, Nipreto Jeune holds the distinction of achieving the highest award amongst the D group players in the history of WhatsApp. Ever since its formation 50 years ago, he has an international medal to his credit. Representing Team India, he won a bronze medal in his category in belt wrestling at the World Nomads Games at Kyrgyzstan in 2018. He is also a gold medalist at the All India Traditional Wrestling Championship in 2018. Also a gold medalist in belt wrestling in his category at the National Mini Olympics 2017, held at Dimapur in 2017. Tego, menino de dança de bola, o WhatsApp de
아, 지금 계속 말합니다.
Yeah.